So the term biochemistry was discovered by Carl Newberg. So this scientist, Carl Newberg, in 1903. Okay. So these are the three things you have to note down. Biochemistry was introduced by Carl Newberg in 1903. Biochemistry broadly deals with the chemistry of life and living process. Means for human body, okay, we are living alive. So okay. So for living, for daily activities, for whatever we are doing in our daily life. So they are the behind that there is the chemicals, broad number of chemicals in our body, but uh, they are natural chemicals, okay, which are very important for our body. Okay, so they are behind the function. We have chemicals. Okay, so these chemicals are very important in our daily life, daily activities, daily functioning of normal. Excuse me. So there is no exaggeration in the statement. So it is very important. So the scope of biochemistry is a vast as life itself. So there is a life means behind that life we have chemistry itself. Okay, if you go to the like example, I will give RBC, red blood cells. So what is that? This is a molecule. We have chemicals like WBC. This is also a molecules, chemicals. Other than that, we are eating the food, we are chewing the food, and we are absorbing the what we are absorbing. We are absorbing the nutritions from the food. We are absorbing the important material which is helpful for our body. So it means that there are chemicals in the form of chemicals itself. So very important. So what chemistry will give? Chemistry will give the life, the person for birth. Birth is behind the chemistry. Growth is behind the chemistry. We have growth hormone, so the reproductive hormone. All these are responsible for the growth. So in the hormones, what are the chemical substances? In the reproduction, aging. So what is aging? Aging is also a due to the chemical issues. Okay, death. Death is also a reason behind the uh, chemicals. So all these are from the birth to death. Everything is involved. Biochemistry is involved in everything. Involves biochemistry. For that matter, every movement of life is packed with hundreds of biochemical reactions. So we have number of hundreds of biochemical reactions from birth to death. Biochemistry is the most rapidly developing and most innovative subject in medicine. So this is biochemistry have very good scope. Okay, in research, in study, in everything. Okay, this become evident from the fact that over the years, the major share of Nobel Prizes earmarked of medicine and physiology has gone to researchers and engaged in biochemistry. So most of the people who have got Nobel Prizes, so they are in depth. They are going in medicine physiology. Okay, means they are doing biochemistry. Biochemistry is nothing but medicine. Okay, so due to the means there is a vasticity. So that's the reason only they are going deeper in biochemistry. So that's the reason they are getting Nobel prizes. So that's we have understood that the discipline of biochemistry serves as torchlight to trace the interact complexities of biology. So how you give the example? So in the uh, late night, you have broad uh, darkness. So in that darkness, what we need? We need light. Okay, if you are going alone, so there is no electricity. So what you need torchlight. So it is like torchlight when you want to know the biology, the nature of the natural things. So you need torchlight. So what? What biochemistry is? Biochemistry is a torchlight in search of biology. Okay, unraveling the chemical mysteries of life. Biochemical research has amply demonstrated that all living things are closely related at the molecular level. Thus, biochemistry is the subject of unity in the diversified living kingdom. Advances in biochemistry has tremendous impact on human welfare and have largely benefited mankind and their living styles. So it is not only that we studied and we want to learn because what is there in the biochemistry. Okay, it is the subject which not only help the person as well as the mankind. Okay, due to the life for living styles. This include the application of biochemistry in the laboratory of the diagnosis of diseases. So how it helps? It not only helps in the body level and also in uh, as a diagnostic level also. Okay, to diagnosis the disease also the biochemistry will help, like insulin, interferon, growth hormones, etc., obtained from genetic engineering and the possible use of gene therapy in the near future. So in the coming future, the modern medicine will go to the near of gene therapy. Means you have to, like nowadays genetic problems are occurring everywhere. Means there is a cell and there is a DNA. In the DNA there is a gene which have potential energy to control the cell. So the gene is becoming damaged. Okay, the gene is not working. So how to repair that? You have to give the gene therapy directly converted of gene, whatever the possibilities are there in coming near futures. Okay, the gene is be treated. Then what will happen? The person will become okay. So this is the their aim. Okay, in coming future, so it will happen. So what is in this book? Already I told you that in this book we have vast knowledge. So we'll deal with section one only. Okay, because this is very important as a electrohomeopathy doctor, and all the important introduction or important uh, related section one connected topics we will discuss. Okay, so in this books very important. So in the content already we discussed. So we have chemical constituents of life. So we have biomolecules, cell, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, enzymes, vitamins. Okay, so we'll discuss all those things one by one. Okay, so this is all about. We'll go in on Thursday. We'll discuss. We'll start this. Till that, we will discuss one small things related biochemistry. So if you have any doubts or else anything to ask, you can.